Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You already have the essentials. Start now. First, verify you are on beta build 1. 2. 0 or later so room ID match. Once done, open the in-game map overlay and mark the east wing corridor. Move to the main lobby, choose the east door, and use your flashlight to scan for vents and markings. This immediately narrows search area. Make sure to listen for ambient cues. Low hums or fan patterns often indicate proximity to hidden access panels. You're in the corridor now. Proceed deliberately. Move along the wall scanning seams and paint anomalies because Beta Room 03 hides behind a maintenance panel, not a regular door. Once you find a seam, crouch and probe for a recessed latch. Use a keycard and try both orientations to engage unconventional readers. Then, proceed to the small alcove and trigger switches in sequence. Yellow, red, blue, this unlocks secondary bolts. Continue forward slowly and watch for a faint marker near the floor. You're at the final barrier. Complete the entry. Approach the maintenance panel and hold interact for 3 seconds, then pull outward to avoid snapping internal catches. Once inside, move past the router rack and enter the labeled bay, Beta Room 03. If an alarm triggers, retreat 10 meters and reset power at the nearby junction box to silence sensors, then re-attempt. If the panel refuses to open, inspect the adjacent floor tile for a hidden switch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.